Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the revision of the Magic Garden. We have already done the revision of word meanings of Magic Garden and even answer the following, which are from the textbook only. We are going to do today, write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Over here you can see box is given, a question is given. Now from this four answer, only one answer is correct. So we have to read the question, read the answer and put a tick and then write the alphabet here in the box. Shall we start? Okay. First, who were the little gardeners? Who were the little gardeners? A school children, school teachers, boys, girls. So what is the correct answer? School children. So we will write A over here. Second one. The flowers loved the children because the flowers loved the children because they played with them, sang with them, watered them, brought bread for them. So what is the correct answer? Watered them. So we'll write C over here because on C the correct answer is there. The birds loved the children because the birds loved the children because they sang with them, brought bread for them, gave them water, played with them. So what is the correct answer? Brought bread for them. So we will write B over here. The sun was happy to see the children. The sun was happy to see the children. So what it is? Laughing and dancing, running in the golden sunshine, playing with the fairies, watering the plants. So what is the correct answer? The sun was happy to see the children. A1, laughing and dancing. So we'll write A over here in the box. Now fifth one. Only the children could hear the songs of the only the children could hear the songs of the flowers, birds, fairies or sun. So what is the correct answer? Fairies. So we'll write C over here and we are going to write the spelling of fairies over here. Fairies. So spelling of fairies we have written over here and we have written in the box C over here. Now we will do fill in the blanks. What is this? Fill in the blanks. In the box answers are given. Here the sentence are given. There is a blank. From this box we have to select the correct answer and write here in the blank. Shall we start, children? Okay. First, the school children were the school children were the little blank. So what they were? They were the gardeners. What they were? They were the gardeners. So we will write the spelling over here of gardeners. 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 What we are going to write? We are going to write the spelling of school children. They were little gardeners. Okay, the next question is what? The flowers love the children because the flowers love the children because they. So what they were? They dashed them. The flowers loved the children because they dashed them. So what they were doing? They watered them. So we'll write water over here. WATERED. Watered them. Now the blank loved the children because they brought bread for them. Who loved the children? Birds, because they brought bread for them. So we will write birds. 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 Fourth one. The blank was happy to see the children running in the golden sunshine. Who was happy? Sun. So we will write sun. 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 Now we'll go to the next page. The sunflower was blank. So the sunflower was what? Over here we have to write the sunflower was tall. So we will write tall. T A L L, tall. The sunflower was tall. The sunflower was tall. The marigold wore a dash dress. So what kind of dress marigold had worn? Golden. GOLDEN, golden. Seventh, the dresses of the fairies were made of blank. So the dresses of fairies were made of flowers. The dresses of fairies were made of flowers. Flowers. So we'll write flowers. 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 Now the last one. The wings of the fairies were made of sunshine. Of sunshine. 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 Now here we are going to write two rhyming words. What we are going to write? Two rhyming words. BALL, ball. So what will be over here? TALL, tall, and WALL, wall. What is the rhyming word? Ball, tall, wall. Now the rhyming word of near. So it will be dear. DEAR, dear. NEAR, near. Third, SELL, cell. So it will be TELL, tell. And the second one will be WELL, well. Cell, tell, well. The rhyming word of BED, bed, will be RED, red. HEAD, head. The rhyming word of ring, RING, will be what? Sing. SING, sing. WING, wing. So we'll read all the rhyming words together. Ball, tall, wall. Near, dear, year. Sorry, it is here. Now we are going to do the rhyming words. What it says, write two rhyming words. First one is what? BALL, ball. So what we will write? TALL, tall. WALL, wall. The second one is NEAR, near. So we will write DEAR, dear. And the second one HEAR, year. SELL, cell is the third one. So we will write over here TELL, tell. WELL, well. The fourth one is BED, bed. So we'll write over here RED, red. And we'll write over here second one HEAD, head. Fifth one RING, ring. So we'll write over here SING, sing. And the second one is wing, WING, wing. Now another question is, what do you see in a garden? Write any two names of the following. Now what do you see in the garden when you go in the garden with your parents? So what do you observe? That two things we have to write. So shall we start? Okay. Trees are there, but which type of tree you find? So we'll write first mango tree, MANGO, mango, TREE, tree, mango tree. And the second we'll write ASHOKA, Ashoka, tree, TREE, tree. Now flowers. Now which kind of flowers do you find in the garden? So it will be ROSE, rose. And we'll write marigold, MARIGOLD, marigold. So tree is what? Mango tree, Ashoka tree, flower, rose, marigold. Third, birds. So what will you write over here? Cuckoo. 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 And you will write another bird. Pigeo and pigeon. Fourth, insects. So which insects you will write? B E E B, and you will write butterfly. 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 Then fifth one, things. What type of things you find in the garden? So it will be swing. 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 SLIDE. Slide. So over here you can see, here is what? Swing. A girl is swinging, and over here a boy is sliding from the slide. Now tools. In the garden we need tools, so we will write spade. 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 And another tool, what will write? Watering can. CWATERINGCAN. Watering can. So we will read all together. First we will read the rhyming words. Okay. Ball, tall, wall. Near, dear, here. Sell, tell, well. Bed, red, head. Ring, sing, wing. Now we'll go to the next exercise. What do you see in a garden? Write any two names of the following. So trees, mango tree, Ashoka tree. Flowers, rose, marigold. Birds, cuckoo, pigeon. Insects, bee, butterfly. Things, swing, slide. Tools, spade, watering can. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Over here what it is? Name the flowers. What we have to do? Name the flowers. Sunflower, rose, marigold, lotus. Your flower names are given in the box. We have to look on these flowers and name it. So first one is what? Rose. So we will write rose. ROSE, rose, and we circle on rose. The second is lotus. So we'll write lotus. LOTUS, lotus. Then what is the third one? Sunflower. So we will circle on sunflower and we will write sunflower. SUNFLOWER, sunflower. And the last one is what? Marigold. What is the last one? Marigold. MARIGOLD, marigold. So rose, lotus, sunflower, marigold. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. What we have to do? Here pronouns are given. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We have to read over here, and we in these blanks we have to write the correct pronouns. So now over here blank, A gardener. Now over here what is it? Are gardeners. So what you are going to write over here? There are many gardeners. What it is said? There are many gardeners. So it will be, first one is what? They are gardeners. So you will write THEY. They are many gardeners. Now second one, dash am Sneha. So what you are going to write over here? I. What you are going to write? I am Sneha. Why? Because over here am is there. So before am we will write I. So the full sentence it will become I am Sneha. Dash is a teacher. Blank is a teacher. So what will you write? She. S S H E. She is a teacher. Dash are children. So what you are going to write? They are children. T H E Y. They are children. Dash is a kite. So what you are going to write? It is a kite. I T it, because it is a non-living thing. Dash is Raj. So what you will write? He. H E he, because Raj is a boy. Then what you are going to write? Next is what? Dash is my sister. So she will write, because sister is a girl. So S H E she. Dash are flowers. So what are you going to write? They are flowers. T H E Y. They are flowers. So children, this exercise is over here. Now you have to write this exercise in your notebook, okay, with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.